Hello everyone, here is the next problem. A 6-pole lap-wound DC generator gives output of 10 ampere 60 volt. If two adjacent brushes of the machine get damaged, what will be the new output? So before moving to the solution, let me explain the brush configuration. So let's think of a cylindrical machine. Here you have a cylindrical machine and all the conductor will be placed like this, right? So if you open the cylindrical machine, so obviously it will look like this, and the conductor will be placed like this in this manner, yes, and there will be 6 pole, 3 north pole and 3 south pole. So let's start from there. Okay, and the conductors are placed like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is also 6. Okay, now if the first pole is north, the current direction will be in this way, and in the south the current will flow like this and this, again north like this and this. So now you see the current is entering in 1 3 and 5, and the current is exiting from 2 4 and 6. So if you combine this 2 4 and 6, you will get the output current in this way, the output current, and the 1 3 and 5 is just the other terminal of that generator. So current will enter from this side. Okay, so now you see how many conductors are actually connected here. 6 conductors, right? So now you might think that instead of placing the conductor like this, why can't we place the conductor like in straight line like this, like all of them in parallel, and the current will flow like this? Why doesn't happen like this? The stator of that machine will form the north pole and south pole, and the conductor in the armature will be rotating in that magnetic field. So when it will cross from north to south, the current will flow in one direction, and when it will flow from south to north, the current will flow in the opposite direction, and these two processes will be simultaneously happening inside that machine. So it is not possible for all the conductor to flow the current in the same direction. So that's why we place the conductor in such a way that if I take one coil or one conductor, then one side of that conductor will flow the current in one direction, and the opposite side will flow the current in the opposite direction. So everything just gets sorted out. Now coming back to the question. So here you have 6 poles and a lap one, so there will be 6 terminal, 1, and there will be conductor placed in between them. Since the total current is 10 ampere, so each conductor will have a current of 10 by 6 ampere. Let me write this: total current 10 ampere. So each conductor will have 10 by 6 ampere, or you can write 5 by 3 ampere. Yes, and as you saw earlier, the current in these conductors will flow like in this way. So in one terminal the current will exit, and the other terminal, in the next terminal, the current will enter like this. So again, if I need to take the output, I'll just take the connection from here, here and here, right? This 3 terminal I'll connect and I'll get the output here. Fine. So now in the question it said that 2 adjacent brushes got damaged. So now you see, let's damage 2 brushes. So let's say this brush is damaged and this brush is damaged. So how many conductors are getting affected? So see, this current is not going anywhere, right? Similarly, this current is not going out. Similarly, this current will not be able to go out. Yes. So how many current is actually we are getting in the output terminal? So that will be 1 here, 5 upon 3, here 5 upon 3, and here 5 upon 3. So the total current we are getting at the output terminal, that will be 5 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3, that will be 15 by 3, so that is 5 ampere. So the total current we are getting, total output current will be 5 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3, that will be 5 ampere. Now what will happen to the voltage? So since their voltage is actually now voltage is induced in the coil, right, or in the conductor. So and all the conductors are connected in parallel. So it doesn't matter how many conductors are getting damaged. If one of them is okay, so it will maintain the output voltage the same, right? So the output voltage will not change here. So output voltage will be 60 volt. Also remember that DC machine actually needs 2 brushes. But here in the question you have to understand that when it is talking about 2 adjacent brushes getting damaged, so obviously there are more than 2 brushes. So in that case, number of brushes will be equal to the number of poles. Alright. So I hope you understood this topic, and still if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Okay. Thank you.